Here's a good snack to keep in the fridge. We're going to make some herb cheese. I'm also going to add some lemon to it. I've really enjoyed these little Meyer lemons this winter. And I'm going to also add a little bit of watercress just as a garnish on top. Just use a variety of soft herbs like dill or chives. Chervil would be nice too. And here are the ingredients if you'd like to jot them down. They'll also be below the video if you'd like to print them out. And of course, as always, you can just do a screenshot if you're watching it on your mobile device. Now I'm just going to use a small chopper to make this. If you have a food processor, it'll be a lot easier. I'm just adding a little bit of the cheese along with some of the olive oil, a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to pulse this down a little bit. And I'm just adding it kind of all in layers because with a chopper it's not going to all get incorporated very well. So I'm adding it kind of slowly. Like I said, if you have a food processor, go ahead and put it all in at once. So I zested my lemon, added some of my herbs. I'm just making sure it's all mixing up well. And now I'll go ahead and add my soft herbs, and we'll go ahead and pulse those as well. And it's ready. It doesn't get simpler than that. Now, as far as the oil that you use, the olive oil may have a little bit of a stronger flavor than you prefer, so you can certainly use something else or just use a softer ricotta and don't let it drain as much. I'm also going to add a little bit of black pepper. I should have added that earlier. And we'll just make sure everything's mixed up well here, and this is good to go. I'm going to go ahead and use this as a spread for my little wheat cracker here, and I put a tiny bit of baby watercress on top. This should keep for about 5 days in the fridge. I like to just put a little bit of cling film right there on top before I put the lid on, and there you go. So I hope you can give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a beautiful day.